Unlock the power of AI-powered ads with Adgenius AI. Are you tired of spending hours crafting the perfect ad creatives only to see lackluster results? Say hello to Adgenius AI, the ultimate AI-powered ad creative toolkit that lets you launch your own one-person ad agency or supercharge your marketing campaigns in just 30 seconds. With advanced AI image generation and proven copywriting frameworks, Adgenius AI delivers high-converting, professional-quality ads for Facebook and social media, faster than ever before. Why Adgenius AI is a game-changer for marketers. Imagine having an AI assistant that generates eye-catching visuals and persuasive ad copy at the click of a button. No more guesswork, no more creative blocks, just high-performing ads that drive traffic, leads, and sales. Whether you're a freelancer, agency owner, or business owner, Adgenius AI gives you the edge with done-for-you templates, AI optimization, and instant ad variations. Don't let money slip away from you. Start creating winning ads today. Don't miss out. Get Adgenius AI now. Time is money, and every second counts in advertising. With Adgenius AI, you'll save time, boost ROI, and dominate your niche. Thanks for watching my Adgenius AI review. If you buy Adgenius AI through my special link in the description, you'll unlock exclusive bonuses that are not available anywhere else. These bonuses are designed to give you an extra edge, helping you drive more traffic, boost conversions, and maximize profits. So let's take a look on what this product is all about.
Hey, and welcome to Adgenius AI. This is Adrian, and I've spent over 2.5 million on Facebook ads in the last couple of years. When Meta dropped their latest Andromeda AI update, one thing became painfully clear. If you don't 10x your more ad creatives, you lose. It's as simple as that. But here's the problem. Agencies went from $3,000 to $10,000 per month. Designers are slow, freelancers hit or miss, and most business owners are stuck in a Canva hell playing someone something works. That's why I've built Adgenius AI. First for myself to save my own campaigns, and now I'm opening up to you. In this demo, I'll show you how you can create $300 agency quality ads in 30 seconds using nothing but business website and Adgenius AI, and how you can turn this into a $500 to $1,000 per month per client service, even if you've never run ads before, even if you have no design skills. Now let's just jump straight into the app, and I'll show you how it works before I'll show you all the training that we've put together for this particular product. All right, so let me just jump into the so of course we do have the tool, the software that enables us to create stunning ads in less than 30 seconds. All right, so this is the Adgenius AI dashboard. Now to prove how fast it is, I'm going to create a full ad from scratch live in under a minute. Now, because I already created a couple of brands, and you will be able to create your own brand as well over here. So let's say I want to create some ads for Adgenius AI. All I have to do is just load my brand over here and get all this information pre-filled, exactly what we do, the product and service description. So Adgenius AI is an AI-powered advertising creative platform designed to help aspiring entrepreneurs, marketers launch their local ad agencies without design skill, copywriting experience, or technical expertise. Now we can say that we are in the AI and automation space. B2B software is good. Now here in the image vision, we can describe what kind of ad we want to create. So let me just put together something. A team of creative designers working with AI tools to craft multiple stunning Facebook ads creatives that are popping up on a digital table, right? So we can basically say whatever we want over here, just to give some context to the image algorithm. So let's go ahead and say let's just go ahead and select one of the templates. Of course, we do have a lot of visual templates that you can choose from. Let's just go ahead with automation process for this one. You can have portrait or square. You can set your brand color. Obviously, mine is already set because I have loaded my brand over here. Pretty simple. Now here, the copy style, we can go with premium and have like, it takes a little bit longer, consumes a little bit more credits, but the output is going to be a bit better. But still, standard goes just as well. Let's go ahead and select the copywriting style. Of course, we do have the AI optimized, which is a default one, but we also have a lot of copywriters that you can mimic, like Alex Ramosi, Dan Kennedy, Eugene, David, like all of these styles you can go ahead and choose for the AI to write the copy. Now, Adgenius AI not only creates the image creative, but it also gives you the perfect copy to go with that creative. So let's go ahead and simply just generate an ad for now. We also support reference images. So if you want to upload one of your previous ads or some of your images to have it embedded in your ad, you can do so by simply upload your image over here. Now look at that, how beautiful this is. And if we want, we can also say, like, put some text on the ad. Let me just go here and say add this text. All right, so it just takes 30 seconds to regenerate one. So let's go ahead and generate another one and see how that is going to play out. And as you can see, the copy styles already have some value propositions in it, the tone, the copywriting styles. Look at that. Beautiful, right? So, and also we do have the ad copy as well. Launch your ad agency now. Boost profits fast. Struggling to high costs and no results. Launch a profitable agency. No design skills, copywriting needed. As you can see, we generated the copy for it. But let's say, for example, I want to upload one of my previous ads that I've run for another product of mine. So I'm going to be uploading this one, and I'm just going to go ahead and generate an ad creative. And even though my ad is for an AI-powered phone calling and automation service, this will just take the idea and regenerate it based on my brand and my instructions. So let's go ahead how this is going to play out. Look at that. Beautiful, right? It actually kept the man, and it actually adds some more. So it's very prompt adhering. All right, cool. Look at this table, this futuristic table with ads all over. I think this is great, and I also think that the copywriting is great. But what if I want like better copywriting? Let's go ahead and check Alex Ramosi. Maybe put some trustworthy, urgent, and action driven. And also let's go ahead with a higher thinking model. And let's regenerate another one. Although the ads would have been perfect like it's been generated, let's just try a more complicated scenario. Now this can take a little bit longer, but the final ad copy is going to be slightly better. Okay, so look, another one. Very good, very good. And let's just go ahead, scroll down to see the copy. Beautiful. How to close 1K clients in 7 days. I think I'm going to be using this for myself as well. So if you're seeing these ads running in your feed, well, you know that we've done it in this demo video right in front of your eyes live. Ladies and gentlemen, I think this is by far the best ad creation tool that you can get your hands on. Of course, you have some extra details on your ad creative, like all validation check must pass. You get some alternative headlines for A/B testing. You get the key benefits highlighted over here, and you also get the quality score that we are scoring all of our ads. And of course, you have your own library of ads, which you can, preview them, and all the ones that you've previously generated. Now look at the ones that I've previously generated. This is some of my tests before, yeah. Kind of, this is Adgenius in a nutshell. And of course, you may not be a prompt engineer and you don't know how to create your prompts. No worry, we got you covered with our prompts creation tool, where you can basically just fill in these details and have the AI generate the perfect prompt for you. As you can see, I already have like tons of generated prompts in the past where you can just copy or use it in your ad generation. We also allow you to generate new angles. If you don't know which angles you should create ads for, no worries, we got you covered with the angles module over here. As you can see, I have dozens, like I have over 50 angles generated for previous ads that I've been running. And of course, you can generate prompts from angles, create ads. And yeah, we got you covered with that. And if you want to work with clients, or you just want to add your own brand so you don't have to fill in all of this information all the time, we do got you covered with the brands manager section, where you can add your brands, and you can add your clients' brands as well if you are part of our agency. And hopefully you enjoyed this quick demo. You can check out all the ads and all the templates that are available on the landing page. And I look forward in welcoming you inside Adgenius AI and help you get started, land your first clients, or use it for your own business to land more customers. This is Adrian from Adgenius AI, and I look forward in welcoming you on board soon.